What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm super excited to share this value with you guys. And this is all going to be about Instagram and affiliate marketing. So what I really like about this, it is something that anybody can do because all you need is the Instagram app. So you can actually just use your mobile phone as well. But what I'm going to show you is something that I've been doing for a while, and I thought, okay, since that I've discovered this, I'm going to drop this here on my channel. What I really like about this, you don't have to post pictures of yourself. People don't need to know who you are as well. Only if you don't want them to, you can, if you mention your name or something like that. And this method, like I said, can be done worldwide. You just need the Instagram app. But one thing that I want you to take notes with this is the more you work at this, the more you will earn. So this is not going to be one of the strategies that you do once where you just sit back and relax and earn money online. This is a full-on business model that does require effort. And by the end of this, you will know how to get started with this as soon as possible straight after this video. And I'm also going to show you a few tools that you can use which will help you get more sales, which can also increase your sales, but this is obviously optional. This is not a requirement. You can choose to do this. And as you can see on the screen right here, I've got an entire step-by-step page for you guys that I'm really making this as easy as possible for you guys to follow. So if you do really want to succeed online, I suggest watching this video until the end, and I'm going to reveal each step as I go along. But quickly, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, super passionate in documenting my journey on this channel in making money online and giving you exclusive insight into that and the most value possible. I'm very passionate about creating content and giving value, so that is why I'm creating this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into the first step. So I'm just going to reveal this first step here, and the first step is on Instagram. We need to head over to Instagram and we need to go and select or find a product in a niche. So I've got some of the best niches here: health, wealth, love, and something that is also trending right now is also those motivational pages. So why I've got these 4 niches here is these are 4 niches that you can use if you want to. These are the 4 niches that I've discovered that are performing the best and making the most money online. So in this case, since health is probably one of the biggest trending topics of 2020 with the pandemic and everything, I'm going to use wealth for the purposes of this video. So to go and find a product in our niche, we want to come over to an affiliate marketplace such as ClickBank, where we don't need to have our own product, our own physical product. We might as well use a digital product so we have no overheads, no costs, and we can literally sell that through the click of a button online, or we can sell someone else's product through affiliate marketing like ClickBank and just get a commission for that. So I'm going to log in with my account, which will then take me to the marketplace on ClickBank. So here you can see a ton of different categories in computers and internet. That's also a niche that you could choose right now. It's either e-business and e-marketing, which kind of falls into the wealth category. Otherwise, since we've chosen health, I'm going to come over to health and fitness over here. I'm going to have a look at what products they've got. What you want to do is you want to filter by gravity. Why you want to filter by gravity is because products that have a high gravity, it means that people that are promoting this product are doing very well, getting a lot of sales, a lot of people getting a lot of commissions with it, which means the product is of very high quality and performing well, so it's easy for you to replicate that. So you can see something like the custom keto diets. I actually remember doing a video on this product in the past. I've promoted this myself and I've made some good sales in the past with this, so I'm actually just going to use this again. You can see the custom keto diet is a diet all about losing weight, or specific diets for people to gain weight or to gain muscle, and you're going to get $43.65 every sale that you make through your affiliate link. So all you have to do is you have to get one person to click on that link, buy this custom keto diet, and you can get $43.65. So if we had to work that out and we want to get to a goal of, for example, $100 per day, I suggest set a goal for yourself, have goals with this, and get a drive. Make this like a full-time thing where you really make this your drive, and your passion is to build a brand and page like this, and just work at getting even one sale a day, $43 a day. That is some nice extra money. To get to about $100 a day, you need about 2 to 3 sales a day. So we should make that our goal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on their landing page quickly before we continue the next step. So you can see they actually have it done for your website. This funnel is done for you. The people that made this product made this funnel specifically for you to go and promote so you can get sales online, because it's a win-win. They making money, you making money, they selling their product, so it's a win-win for everybody, and this is all done for you. You don't have to put any of the hard effort. You don't need hosting or internet to host this. This is all here done for you. All you have to do is click on promote over here. You can see, click on generate hot links. Here is your unique affiliate link. This is the link that you can use to make sales and get commissions with that. Like I said, 2 sales a day is already $100 a day. So now that we've got our product in our niche, that's going to lead us to step number 2 over here. So I'm just going to quickly reveal this. Step number 2 is going to be locate big Instagram pages in this niche that we've chosen, in this case health, and you can find them through hashtags or general search. So I've come over to Instagram over here. What I'm going to do is I'm, for example, just going to go hashtag health, see what pages I can find, 124 million posts. And what you want to do is you want to hover over and see if there's any pages in the wealth niche. Or what you can also do is you can actually just go to Google and type in best health Instagram pages, for example, and you can come to an article over here, 10 healthy Instagram accounts to follow. And let's go look at this one here, Fault by Heart. Let's copy that username. I'm going to come back to Instagram. I'm going to paste that here. I'm going to open them in a new page. Here you can see here's a good page with health, so some good posts here, all about health, high protein blondies and stuff like that. Let's come back here. Let's do, for example, nutrition stripped. I'm going to copy that. Going to come back to Instagram, and all we're doing is we're just using the help of Google or hashtags and also general search. And you can also put health in the search bar over here and find pages through general search. So here you can see this page has 358k followers. They've got some good posts. This is a page that we can also use, which will make sense in step number 3. What I'm also going to do is I'm just going to type in, for example, health in the search bar. Let's see what health pages we can find. For example, healthy foodies, Baobab health bar. Let's just go health. We can do Zest Health, for example, Immune Eye Health, and these are all pages that we can go and use. So I'm going to keep these pages open, and then I'm going to move to step 3. I'm just going to quickly unveil this. Step number 3 is you want to find posts on their feed that get 3 times more likes and views. So what you can do is you can take the average amount of likes on the last, for example, 10 posts and find the ones that are getting more than that. So let's come over to, I think a good example was this one here, nutrition stripped. So let's go through the posts. Also, you want to focus on video content. We can also look at some of these. Let's have a look here. I like this page because they also have a few videos, which I like. I like it when a page is a combo of pictures and videos. So you can see they have 71k followers. They're getting 100 likes, 200 likes. The engagement's not that great, but you can see on average, for example, 499 views, 121 likes, 67 likes, 131 likes. So if I had to work out the average, I would say they're getting anywhere between 100 and 200 likes. So what I would go and do is go and choose posts that are getting more than 200 likes. So for example, this one here with 1,000 likes. This is one that you can use. This one is doing really good. This is a post that you can keep in mind. I suggest save that for now, or keep this in mind for now. This one as well here with 466 likes. It's getting a lot more likes, about 3 to 4 times more than the average on the page. Let's just go to do one more just to still give you an idea. If I hover over 265, 200 likes, 200, 182, 270. This video is also doing good, 1,200 views. That's one you can consider. 469 likes. This is one that's doing really good. You can keep this one in mind. So there's already 3 posts that we can use and keep in mind, which is going to lead to the next step. That is going to be here. Step number 4. I'm just going to unveil this. That is going to now create your account and upload a few of the pics or the videos that you found, because this will help you fill out your profile a bit, and then you want to go create a nice logo on Canva and create a nice neat and bio. So just quickly to show you Canva, you can come over to website canva.com and have a look here. Come over to logos. All you're going to do is just click on one of these. I'm going to be quick with this. Click on use templates. You can already just sign in with Google or Facebook. I'm going to do that quickly. And over here on the search templates tab, just type in health or anything that's got to do with health and fitness. So let's go health, and you will see here a ton of easy logos that you can use. You can just name your page. For example, you can click on this, literally type your own text, and it's that easy to make a logo on Canva. Then what you want to do is you want to create a nice, neat and bio for your Instagram page. So you can see here, get some influence from these guys. So you can see if I come up to the top of this page, they've got official Instagram about health. Say hello to your new health routine, and they actually have a link to probably some course or something, or an affiliate product. Let's have a look here. This is a very nice bio. I like this one as well. So you want to go and create a nice little bio, get some influence from these other pages. You can replicate this, just use your own words, but make sure it looks nice and professional. That is then going to lead us to the next step, which is going to be just here. step number 5, I'm going to unveil this. Step number 5 is going to be now start growing your following. So you want to post at least 3 to 6 times per day using low competition hashtags. That's with less than 1 million apps. So before I go into the follow and unfollow technique, I quickly want to show you something that I use. It's called Hashtag Expert. So what I really like about this app, you can enter a keyword, for example, health, and it will generate you about 20, like you can see here. This person entered New York. You can see all the other relative hashtags, at least about 20 to 30 of them that are trending right now in that niche. So for example, if you enter health into this app, it's going to generate you 20 to 30 hashtags that's related to the health niche that is going to make your post get probably about 50 to 100% more likes. Ever since I started using this app on my personal page, some of my posts have literally gotten twice to 3 times the amount of likes that it usually gets. So this is an app that I really recommend as well, using the hashtag technique and then the follow and unfollow technique. So what I suggest is you go and have a look, follow some of these people here. For example, on this page, you want to click on their followers because obviously these people are already interested in nutrition because they're following a health nutrition page. Go follow some of them, click follow, and all you can do is just unfollow them. But what I suggest is don't do more than 30 to 40 accounts per hour, at least maybe about 50 to 100 accounts per day, because the Instagram algorithm will probably start picking you up as spam and they might actually ban your account for a few hours or something like that. So I suggest keep it to no more than 30 to 40 accounts per hour. And also then comment on big pages in your niche the second that they post and like your comment and keep it at the top. So what I suggest is come over to all these nutrition pages if you've chosen that niche and put the post notifications on. You can see for this one as well, put the post notifications on, and every time they post, come over to the post and leave a nice comment. So for example, you can say, hey, this looks very similar to a dish that I recently made, for example. I really love this. Thanks for the picture. Or you could just say something, drop some value. Don't cold promote. You never want to cold promote. You want to give value in the comments just so people can see your username. I mean, if you have a fitness or health related username, people will click on your profile, check out your profile, and if they see that you're posting constantly with the 3 to 6 times per day rule, you're going to get followers over time. Like I said, it is going to take effort to do this, but you can see that by just commenting on other big pages, you're opening up a lot of doors and a lot of exposure for yourself already. Then next is going to be step number 6. So this is going to be the final step. And this is going to be monetizing your page. So now you want to put the link to your funnel. This is the ClickBank product funnel that we've gotten over here, this custom keto diet, in this case example, and you want to put this in your bio. So for example, you can see that one example actually showed you was like this: say hello to your new health routine. You can have something just like this, and then you can have a link to your ClickBank product. Or what you could do is you could go over to a website called bit.ly, just to let me get my affiliate link again. That's this long link over here. So let's just quickly go and get this link back. I'm just going to click on generate hop links again. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over then to a website called bit.ly just to shorten my URL so it doesn't look as ugly. I'm just going to click on shorten, and this link over here, the short link, is the link that you can go and put in your bio, just like this guy over here, and people will then see this, click on this, they will get to this landing page where there's this long free video that they'll watch, and they can then get their custom keto diet. And like I said, your goal should be at least 1 to 2 sales per day in the beginning, which is an extra $50 to $100 per day already. Then next, once you hit 10k followers, you can start doing swipe up stories. But I also want to quickly show you something else that you can do. If you want to completely shortcut this entire process, what you can do is come over to a website called insta-sale.com, and you can just go buy an Instagram page for about $200 to $300 if you want to put that investment in and shortcut everything. So what you can do is you can select your category by food and nutrition, obviously related to health, and have a look here. You can see this person here currently has 11k followers, and they're getting about 1.5k likes per post at $300. That's their price, which is pretty good. You can see here 15k followers, or here 9k followers, 1,300 likes per post, to $50. So you can shortcut the entire process by going to buy one of these pages. Your logo and everything is done for you, which is really nice. So that is a great way to shortcut that, by going to buy an already done for your Instagram page and then using this exact strategy. And then what you want to do is engage with your audience, DM followers, start a conversation. And if you see an opportunity to sell, for example, someone might hit you up, they want to do a promotion on your page, sell it. Go do this promotion, get your commissions. They will pay you like $30-$40 for a feature or a swipe up or a post. And that's also another way you can monetize your page, is through sponsorships and people paying you for shoutouts and becoming a full-time influencer. But what you can do is, if you actually want this document, I'm going to leave a download link to this document on the docs.google Drive. All I would like is a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe down below with the bell on if you're new to the channel, and comment down below that you've done so. Those two things, just comment that you've liked and subscribed, and then on that comment I'll reply to that comment, your comment, with the download link to this document. But I really hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. This was a lot of value. A lot of people don't really know about this, and I think this is something that can really bring a lot of success to those that are going to put in effort with this. But what I'll do is, on the screen I will leave another playlist to my Instagram playlist, where I make different strategies around Instagram if you want to have a look and educate and learn more about that. Because in the end, the biggest key to making money online is developing high income skills. So the content that I teach on my channel is just here as a foundation for you to learn, but it's up to you to take action. But on the screen above, you're welcome to go and check that playlist out. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.